Hi there, welcome to Twistology Cubing. Today we are going to be solving the Pandora Cube. This is the first video in the 3x3 Shape Mods tutorial series. Now this cube is basically exactly like a regular 3x3, except the corners are enlarged and the centers are enlarged. But it still turns just the same, it just looks kind of weird. So it's pretty essential to know how to solve a 3x3, so if you do not, go ahead and check out my video on how to solve a 3x3, and then come on back and we'll solve this. So this is what it looks like scrambled. We'll start with the white cross. And we have the blue one. And if we line up the centers here, it's a little harder to see. The white cross will just be a kind of a diamond shape. And the orange edge. And the red edge. And now they're all lined up. So this is the white cross. And now we need to do the corners. So this is the red center, so we line up this here and put it in like this. And then this one can go in there like that. And then this one is orange here, so we can put it in like this. And then this one has red here, so it can go in there. So now the white side solved, make sure to match it up with the centers. And now for the edges. This is a little harder to visualize because of just how weird the cube is. So this can go here, so the algorithm for moving it up to the right is D prime, R prime, D, R, D, F, D prime, F prime. And I put that in there to the right. We'll find another one in the bottom layer. This one's blue, so that would need to go up to the left. So the algorithm is D, L, D prime, L prime, D prime, F prime, D, F. So it sometimes catches a little bit, but it's a very well built cube, so it handles it great. So here is the orange piece. That can go up to the left. So we'll go D, L, D prime, L prime, D prime, F prime, D, F. And now we just have one more, and that's the green and orange piece, which is right here. That can go in to the left, D, L, D prime, L prime, D prime, F prime, D, F. And that's all the first two layers. Now for the last layer, here, we had a lucky case, we got the line. So we'll do the algorithm with the setup move F, then R, U, R prime, U prime, and then F prime to finish it off. And that got us the yellow cross. These two are lined up, so that means these two edge pieces need to be swapped. And the algorithm is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U. And that swapped these. Now for the corners. So in this case, the corners are already permutated, they should be oriented. But if they weren't, the algorithm is U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Now we did it once, now we have to do it one more time to get the corners in the correct permutation. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Now these two corners just need to be rotated, and we can do that with R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, and R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Then hold the bottom and turn the top till we get to the next corner we need to solve with R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And that solved the Pandora Cube. Thanks for watching. Please comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe and have a great day.